Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kathy. For today's video, we will actually be road testing the Canon G7X, which is supposed to be the best vlogging camera in town. So we'll go ahead and check to see how stable it is when doing the videos. Like right now, we are actually inside a moving car because we are on our way to Okada. There's my husband. Yeah, so we will be testing this out during our overnight stay at Okada. This is the first time that we will be staying out or anywhere actually since 2020 when everything shifted worldwide. So expect to see a lot of Okada. We'll be sharing where we would be eating, where we'll be staying. So it's gonna be a 2-in-1. We'll be reviewing the place and we'll be reviewing the camera. If you would have questions for me, please leave it down in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you can subscribe to my channel. Here on this channel, we talk a lot about unboxing, quick reviews. We also talk about diamond painting, journaling, and a lot of other things that I feel passionately about. So I hope that you guys will stay tuned.